Are you looking to substantially increase the value for your property management company in the hopes of one day selling it for millions? Today, I'm going to take you back to my roots as a CPA and talk about how to look at your business like an asset. Your company is an investment vehicle that you have the power to control. Yet most property management company owners look at their business solely as a cash flow generator. But with property management acquisitions gaining more and more popularity, you need to seriously start looking at your business as a way to grow your net worth. Owners who understand how to strategically allocate capital are able to effectively operate their business's operations, improve the intrinsic value of your business, and ultimately grow your net worth. When you start looking at your business from the perspective of capital allocation, you start to see more opportunities to earn a return on your money. Confused about what I'm saying? Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through an example. Before I get into that example, for anyone that's looking to grow their property management company and needs help, reach out to us at Upkeep Media. We offer a free growth marketing session where we'll walk you through what your competitors are doing to bring on new properties to manage. We'll take a look at your current strategy in terms of growth, and then give you recommendations that no matter what, you can walk away with that'll help you grow your company so that you leave that meeting having learned something. So now let's get back to it. So now let's take a look at the decision of reinvesting back into your company. So how do we calculate the return on investment of reinvesting in our own company? Well, it's subjective, but it can be done using a series of projections and assumptions. Let's look at an example of hiring a new salesperson. Let's assume for this example that this new salesperson costs us $100,000 per year, all in, including benefits and commissions. Now, we also are going to assume that your business generates a net profit of 15% and that similar property management companies sell for a multiple of 3 times net earnings. The reason I chose this is because most small businesses sell for a multiple of 2 to 3 times EBITDA, which is basically net earnings, stands for earnings before interest, tax, depreciation, and amortization. Now, if this new salesperson brings in $350,000 of sales per year, this translates to $52,500 in net profits for your business per year. Now, $52,500 added to your bottom line every year is really nice, don't get me wrong. But what's also great is you've now just added on $157,500 to the value of your business because it's valued at a 3x multiple of your net earnings. So now, not only have you increased your cash flow and your earnings on a regular basis, you've also increased the value of your business and thus your net worth. Now, this is obviously a simplified example, but the main takeaway I want you to have from this is that you need to be making similar type of calculations and similar type of thinking when you're deciding what to do with your cash flow. Whether you should be paying it out, whether you should be reinvesting it in the business, these are all things that you should be thinking of as a business owner. Thinking this way, you're now starting to look at your company like an investment vehicle. And thinking of your company like an investment vehicle will now start to help you make better capital allocation decisions. And hopefully, this leads to making better decisions that are going to further expand the growth of your company and thus further expand your net worth. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, hit that subscribe button so we know to continue producing this content for you. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.